Hello traders, what I'm going to show you today is something called copy trading. I will show you on how you can copy trades that are taken by profitable traders on JustForex automatically, so that when they make money, you also make money. It's very simple. Let me show you a quick example. For example, if you come on JustForex Copy Trading leaderboard, you will see a list of traders that you can copy. For example, let's say you want to copy trades that are taken by Indepth, because he has made $238 alone this month and only lost $13. If you click on Indepth, we'll be taken to his dashboard. This is where we will see the trading history of Indepth. As we can see, it's all green. There's only one loss, and we can say Indepth is a profitable forex trader. So if we want to copy, we need just to click on start copying and then fill on these settings. And by the way, if you stick along with this video, I will show you on how you can fill these settings correctly in order to minimize risk and maximize profits. If this is something that you are interested in, to follow with me, I'll show you on how to register on this broker, deposit funds, and I will also give you tips on how you can make a lot of money with JustForex Copy Trading. So traders, in order to get started, you will need to register. And if you don't have an account with JustForex, click on the first link in the description and then you will be taken to a page like this. This is where you will need to join in as an investor, because you will be investing in these traders to trade for us. After clicking on joining as investor, by the way, if you already have an account with JustForex, you can just put in your login email and access password. But if you're a new client, you need to register, and you will need to put in your country of residence and insert your email and create your access password, and also confirm the client agreement. After clicking on registration, JustForex will send you an email. This is where you will need to confirm your registration. I already have an account with JustForex. I will just log in. So now the next thing that we need to do is to find the trader that you want to copy. So after registration, you will need to click on copy trading, and under copy trading, click on leaderboard. We'll be taken to the leaderboard of all the traders that you can copy on JustForex. The first column will show you the trading account of each trader, the percentage gain that this trader has gained this month, the profit and losses of this trader that month. For example, Indepth has made like $238 this month and only lost $13. Upcoming billionaire has made $25 and only lost $1. The fourth column will show you the number of investors that are investing on each trader. For example, Indepth has 46 investors and 47 investors have already left him. The fifth column will show you the commission charged by each trader. For example, Indepth charges a commission of 2%. So what this means is that, let's say you made like $100 trading with Indepth. He'll take a commission of 2% of that $100, which will be like $2. You get to keep the $98 as your profit. As you can see, some traders are charging a commission of 25%, some are charging a commission of 10%, some are charging a commission of 25%. So you can just go through this list and click on any trader that you want. For example, let's click on Indepth to see his profile. So if you click on any trader's profile, you'll be redirected to their dashboard. This is where you will be able to see the description of their strategy and also the minimum investment that these traders requires. For example, in order to start copying Indepth's trade, you will need a minimum of $50. You'll also be able to see their performance, their profit chart, also the account details. As you can see, this trader has a balance of $209 with trades that are currently running in profit of $39. And by the way, these are the trades that are currently running in profit. He took a sell on USD at this time. There is the open price, and these are the profits that are currently running. And also, you'll be able to see the closed trades of this trader. As you can see, here's a good trading history. It's all green. There's only one loss. So traders, look for a good trader on the leaderboard that is making a good amount of money, and you can meet the minimum required investment. After finding that trader you feel like will make you a lot of money, for example, let's say it's Indepth, you just need to click on start copying. A screen like this will pop up. This is where you will need to deposit your funds. The minimum you can deposit on JustForex.Copy Trading is $25. But if the trader that you want to copy requires a minimum investment like $50, you need to invest $50 or more. I already have an account with funds. I will just show you on how you can start copying other traders after depositing your money. So traders, I went on to find a good forex trader that I think can make me a lot of money. He requires a minimum investment of $25 and charges a commission of 30%. So again, if I make like $100, he will keep $30 as his commission, and I will get to keep my $70 as my profit. I went on to check his performance. He has like 32 investors, and this month he has made a profit of 166 and made a loss of $6. And I also went on to check his trading history. As you can see, it's only green. There's only one loss, and I can say he's a profitable forex trader. So after you've invested your money on your wallet account, when you click on start copying, a screen like this will pop up. You'll then need to choose either investment type of proportional or equal. So what is meant by equal? If you select equal, the amount of money that this trader makes is the same amount of money that you'll be making. If he makes a profit of $50, you'll also make $50. If he makes a profit of $100, you'll also make $100. So it's the same. But when you choose proportional investment type, this simply means that many people get this complicated, but I'll try to make things simple for you. On proportional investment type, if you invest less money than the balance of the trader, it means that you'll make less amount of money than this trader. But if you invest more money than the balance of this trader, you'll make more money than this trader. For example, let's say the balance of this trader was sitting at $50 and you invested $100. When this trader makes a profit of $10, you'll make $20. But then if this balance of this trader was sitting at $50 and you deposited $25, this simply means when this trader makes a profit of $10, you'll make a profit of $5. So in this case, guys, I'll just deposit I'll just invest a amount of $26. Then there is investment protection. This is more like a stop loss, but for beginners, this simply means how much of your account balance you want to protect. For example, I've invested like $26. Let me just choose my investment protection percentage. Let's say I put it on 40%. This simply means if ever my account drops to $10.4, my account will automatically stop copying trades from this trade. So let's say you have selected all these things and filled this correctly, and you want to start copying. You just need to click on start copying this trade. So after you successfully copied the trader, we need to click on investor area under copy trading. This is where you'll be able to monitor all your investments. The profit will appear here, and you'll be able to see all your balance and your running trades, also your closed trades. Let's say you want to change the investment type or balance protection. You'll need to click on edit, and you'll be able to change the investment type or investment protection, and you'll need to click on save the changes. So now, guys, you don't have to do anything, because whenever this trader opens a trade, our account will automatically copy that trade, and when he makes money, you'll also make money. And by the way, you can copy as many traders as you want. So let's say you want to withdraw your profits. In order to withdraw all your profits, you need to click on stop copying, and your profits will be transferred to your e-wallet. I will give this account a period of 7 days, and I'll make a video to show you how much I've made or lost. So if you want a feedback of this account, please like and subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can be the first one to know when I upload that video. Thank you.